got to be careful. They were going head on into oncoming traffic in a construction zone.
But give it a few months.
Yeah.
You just left to lie. Why can't you just listen instead of getting high? I'm done holding on to this moment with you.
Finally found parking. We drove around down here for 15 minutes. That is the story of our lives in the Sprinter van in British Columbia, Vancouver in particular. But we'll just say British Columbia because it's been everywhere in BC. We finally found parking though, up the street, down the corner, around the corner. It's pretty though. Rachel found her ring that she's had since
I was 16.
16. She's never seen a duplicate until just meow.
Until Canada.
Yep. What are the odds? Pretty good.
It's funny.
Pretty good. I had a feeling that was from Canada. I didn't know for sure. I actually thought you were Canadian on our first date.
Oh,
Yes.
stop.
See.
I'll go into the public market quick and just do a little loop if that's okay.
Sure. Is this your friend? Right here? You want to go play ball with this alpaca? Look at those bundles of lavender. Oh. Funny, Rachel had a lavender beer at the last place, a sour, and I actually liked that more, so I had that, and she took my mango guava, I think, beer. They were both good, but anyways, yeah. This, if only you could smell. Crazy, all those people on that boat.
Looks like they're young.
Yeah, partying. That's how Zeke sounds. It's a pretty view. Finally, I shouldn't say finally, we didn't really circle that much, but we found a parking spot right at the end there. Perfect. Might even spend the night right there. Hard to say, gotta whisper. We'll see though. But yeah, we're gonna go in here and get a beer, and then, or you wanna go to the other one first?
We could go to both. George?
Which one do you wanna do first? This one, since we're right here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. This place is super cool. It's a cool.
It is.
It kind of reminds me of to check on our boy, and I think he's got himself a little cold.
No, don't say that, then people will really think that we neglect our dog. Yeah, he's so cold in here.
I'm just kidding. He's not. Look at this. How could you be? He's got both fans on. He's got a full California King
and a pillow
to just chill and relax.
In British Columbia.
You're pretty well traveled, man. Pretty lucky boy. So anyways, yeah, he's all tucked in. Nestled in the nest. Such a good boy though. Yes, we loves him. Should we go for a W? A walk?
Is he replying?
No. He says, I do not want to go for a walk. You can just lay. It's okay. That's the boy. Just wait, I'll get your stool out. Hold on. How big is that bird?
That's pretty big.
Pretty big bird, huh?
Pretty big bird.
Pretty big bird.
Pretty big bird.
This is cool. Look at all the people across the way. Concert or something, I think. Really? Oh, that was where they were scalping tickets out front.
Yeah, but
So
outside.
must have been a concert, maybe.
Yeah, but
It's
it
a
looks
concert.
like it's like little tents.
Yeah.
Like maybe like a beer dabbler or something.
A beer dabbler that we missed. That would be the story of our lives.
Terrible.
Yes. Very cool. Wow. It's cool. Hey, heel.
Can't even think straight. You just love to lie. Why can't you just listen instead of getting high? I'm done holding on to this moment with you. This moment with this lie with you. Why would you just lie? Just lie like that. I don't understand why we can't just sit down and work.
Our dog just, someone was eating pizza and he went for it. We gotta train, we're laughing at this and we should be like, no, we gotta train him. Oh, there's a ton of
Guy
people over there.
laughed, too.
Oh yeah, he was in good spirits about it. He's like, maybe he's hungry. Like he's always hungry. This is super cool.
Laying down.
Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Oh yeah, we'll get you something for sure for your troubles. For your troubles.
When you can't find a pillow, you improvise. Is one person controlling all of them?
It's software.
Really?
Yeah, I believe.
Oh my gosh, this is so neat.
I know. the drone show. That makes more sense.
It's like, no.
Well, actually, no, I've been to San Francisco for the conference a month ago, and they have self-driving cars, but
Yeah.
second generation is pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, what are they called?
Well, they're Waymo.
Yeah,
That's
yes,
in
yes.
Tucson. Is that what they are in
Yeah,
San
yeah, yeah.
Francisco too?
Yeah, Phoenix.
Pretty cool. I mean,
Yeah.
they still have issues,
Yeah.
especially in construction side. And
I was just gonna say, I just saw a video a week ago of one getting pulled over in a construction site. The cop didn't know what to do because he said you're being pulled over, and then they put like someone on the from the call center.
Yeah.
He's like, you got to be careful. They were going head on into oncoming traffic in a construction zone.
But give it a few months.
Yeah, for sure. Wow, look at them all just. Rachel and I went into that place last night, just like a craft brewery, something or other. I don't know, it was super cool. We're downtown Vancouver. We originally parked here. This was the only spot that I could find. Someone had left and I was like, oh, I can back in there for sure. And it's perfect. And it was super tight to the car behind us, but I was able to get in. And then when we paid for parking, it said that after 10 p.m. it was free. And this seemed like a really clean, nice area. And then when we walked over there, that was where there was a nice view of the night sky, or the skyline, if you will. And there were so many people and so many police officers. So we asked this guy that was standing next to us, we're like, there was some live music going on and stuff, and we're like, so what's going on over here? He's like, oh, there's a drone show. And what are the odds? We just happen to be in the right place at the right time. So anyways, when we got done with that, we looked at the area and we're like, this place is safe. You know, if we'll pay for parking. We paid another $1.30, I think, and that pushed us up and said that we were good to park there for free or until 9 a.m. And then we extended the time, but we slept like babies. It was dead quiet down here. Just perfect. It was funny. I was laying there last night with Rachel and I was like, never in a million years did I think we would be in BC, downtown Vancouver, on the side of the road in an old pool Sprinter van that was converted into a living traveling rig. Just living. But I wouldn't trade it for anything. This has just been such a cool experience, and to say, you know, we just took the weekend and came over here and checked this out. Oh my god, gorgeous. Had a really good time here. It's going to be a bummer to leave today. Rachel has to work tomorrow and she can't work internationally. So yeah, we'll be heading back to the United States sometime this evening. I gotta pick up some poop. You prefer it during the day more?
No, I like night.
Me too. Come on, dude. It's interesting in the day too to see it all. Is that Winston? More spice, and then virgin. No vodka.
Got a kick.
What's that? We shall see what mine has. I asked
You're
for
sure
mine.
yours is
Spicy.
extra spicy?
We love Bloody Marys. They're one of our favorites and super common in the Midwest. And here in Canada, they call them Little Caesars.
No.
I'm just kidding. They call them Caesars. It's very good. You don't like yours, huh?
I do like mine.
It's got a nice taste to it.